Finding a good bike in Phnom Penh can be difficult, but finding an honest motorcycle rental shop, well, that's a whole nother story. But when I'm in Phnom Penh, I never worry because I've got Johnny and Victory Motorbike on my side. Johnny is not only the owner of Victory Motorbike, but he's also the lead mechanic. It's so great to see an owner who takes an active role in making sure the bikes are in tip-top shape for the customer. While it's true that Johnny provides high-quality bikes for short or long-term rentals, the reason I keep coming back is for his honesty.